P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Oh, bloody would go, wouldn't it?
Caller, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you can hear me. Thank you. How can I help you? Come through to Nottinghamshire Police Switchboard.
Yeah, I've dealt with you a couple of weeks ago with the last Arlington Drive. I've got a friend in America who's rang me to be his like go-between. Yeah, I like the Crown films on ITV because I know you got the commercials.
It saves you having to take out the DVDs out.
Yeah, plus it feels like you're watching normal TV. You just got to like tolerate the adverts. It's like paying for the premium because every fucking channel wants fucking premium charges.
Calling Carol Charlie, I'll be alright.
What good will that do?
Well, if I talk in my sleep, it won't sound so bad. The wife will think I'm talking about a fella.
Could sound a bloody sight worse.
It'll be a false shot.
I think we'll move on in the morning.
Get that round your lips.
Pardon?
Put it in your mouth then.
Don't kid yourself. We aren't getting it for nothing. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, no, we're not. We're flipping. We're going to cook it. Where's the fat gone?
Oh. No, not for me.
Puff.
Ugh. No, it's a bit bad that.
P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There is a glass.
And that's it.